Hey y'all, so this is a quick check-in for month 5, week 1, baby. Hold on, let me cover up my info. Okay, you see that? Yes. Yeah. So basically, like I said, this is a quick check-in. I'm actually on a little vacay right now, and I just wanted to, before I get into a whole nother full week of new trays, because these are new trays, this is actually a review for month 4, week 3, 4, but I have month 5, week 1 in. You might need to pause that, rewind it, and figure out what I really said. But so basically, with the month 4, week 3, 4, it was when my teeth were more so almost straight, and then the ones that I did have that needed to come forward, now they're starting to come forward. If you can see, they look great. So this is the tooth I'm talking about. This tooth was behind this tooth when I first started. If you look at my other videos, you might be able to see it, I don't know. I could clearly see it. All in all, I'm happy, and this is month 5. So starting month 5, I'll definitely try to give a review, probably end of this week or next week, on how these trays are. But they're pretty sore, but they're not that sore as they were when I first started. I feel as though my shifting is coming to an end, like my major shifting of my teeth is coming to an end. So, yep. Smile Direct Club, approved. I definitely approve. So far, I definitely approve. What I was gonna say was they've been trying to tell me to put in pictures for my warranty of like how I've been doing. And to be honest, I'm so extremely happy that I'll probably like write them or something, write them a little thing and say thank you so much. My transformation has been amazing. Even if they don't see my videos, this is for you all to see inside my life. If you want to straighten your teeth for cheap and don't want all those railroad tracks and shit stuff all over your mouth and having to take them out every time you eat is kind of annoying. But I'm just saying, I'm very happy. And stay tuned for month 5, week 1 review, because this is, I'm gonna title this month 4, week 3, 4, because I'm coming to an end. I haven't put up nothing. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, go check out that picture of my straight teeth. They look different. I need to put something next to it, like a difference thing. But for now, just go look what I'm talking about. I'll put something down here, like Meryl, zakat, you know what I'm saying? So, all right.